Howdy, Shop Man with Option Titans, and I just wanted to come in and jump in and give y'all some sauce, just a little sauce. I've been seeing this a lot. Shop Man, how do you enter your trades? What is the perfect entry? I'm about to give y'all the sauce today. So first of all, I enter by planning. Do you do that? What time do you wake up in the morning to check the markets? Do you scan? Do you do your due diligence? Or do you just wake up at 8:30 when the bell rings and then you get into the trade and try to do all these miraculous strategies? You try to do the MACD cross. You try to do the RSI fly. You try to do the Bollinger Bands, the Fibonacci. what you really trying to get at? So we finna show you something that's basic right here. And by me, I mean we. And by we, I mean my computer. You get me? So we looking at Microsoft right now. It's a ticker. We already know how it just exploded on Friday. However, I charted for Thursday. Here are my lines. You see, this is the Thursday's high, Thursday's low, Wednesday's high, Wednesday's low, and I got it all color coded. And since these basically touched, I did the plot of the low on Tuesday. So we can all agree that Microsoft has been in the range. Let's hope on Monday it goes through the roof again, or I don't know. Maybe it might come all the way down. We never know, but we're going to get into this perfect entry right here. By all of my levels being plotted, hopefully all of your risk management is out the way. You already know what you about to do when you enter the trade. If not, that's going to be another video. I can't give you too much sauce. This is just the perfect entry. All right, let's jump down to it. So depending on what type of trader you are, you looking at different charts, but this is me. This is Shop Man. You already know what's going on. We hitting 100. No, I'm just kidding. We not doing that. The market has been very choppy as of late. So we getting in, we taking our profits, and we getting out. We not being greedy, but without further ado, I love the 5 minute. I just can't get away from. I don't know what it is. It's like you just gotta find something that you love, and then you just gotta pay attention to it. Like Microsoft, I got a love and hate relationship for Microsoft right now. So looking at the open, bam, it shot up. It went crazy. Then it fell a little bit. This level right here is key. We didn't know that at first, but I'm gonna just mark it because we already know that this was the low of the day. And Friday, I like to use this aqua color. We go back on the daily chart. We can see that. Let me scroll. I ain't lying, y'all. That's where the bounce level was. But going back into the video right here, I'm pointing with my finger. Y'all didn't see that. But this is the low of the day. It bounced right off of here. And I want you guys to think of this line right here. Don't think of it as if it goes below or if it bounces, oh, I missed my exit. You didn't miss nothing. You didn't miss anything. If it goes up $3, you've missed it. But if it only went up from 56 to 79, yeah, that's gone. So you want you want to look at this level as get in as soon as possible and set a stop loss. My guy. Set a free. I'm not gonna pound my fist because I want you to hear me clearly. Set a freaking stop loss. I'm turning the VWAP off because we love those VWAP bounces. But if you don't know what a VWAP is, I gotta turn it off because it's gonna confuse you. Set these stop losses, my guy, and stick to them. Look, boom, you enter the trade here, and it don't go your way. How much money are you gonna give back to the market until you go your way? Unless you in the position and you about to average down on the average down on the average down. Nah, check this out, fam. I'm telling you, Shop Man advice right now, real talk, is gonna save your account. We all been there. We all blew up accounts. We know what's gonna happen. Set a stop loss. You enter the order, you set a stop loss. Period. Your little stop loss is not finna change the direction of the market. So boom, you get in here. This is the perfect entry because you've seen that it came down and it bounced. But wait, we're not gonna get in the trade right here because you might be skeptical. I like to pull triggers. I don't really like to watch because it's a game of probabilities. It don't matter if you right. It don't matter if you wrong. It matter if you make money. You feel me? That's it. That's what we here to do. We not here to be right because multiple times I have entered a trade and it goes my way, but then this shit happens. And I was right, but I held on too long because I was greedy and I didn't get out. You feel me? So we're gonna look at this level for the skeptical people just because of that bias. You get in here, it does crazy. It goes up. But I mean, this is not necessarily relatively considered crazy because we haven't even passed the high, right? So most of y'all might be doing, okay, you might enter here and wait for it to go crazy. But Shop Man, we like to catch the entire move. You feel me? We like to catch the entire move. Option Titans, we catching the entire move, baby. So look, we bouncing off of here. It goes here. It does a doji. If you don't get out at this doji, this cross right here, it's like saying, hey, bro, the market is finna change. It's finna do something else, and it did. It went all the way down, and rest in peace to your profits, bro. You let them run, but thankfully Microsoft is so forgiving. It almost tested that level again. I would have been scared, to be honest with you. Emotion that's going through my head right now. Fear is not an emotion because fear has saved me money plenty times. Yeah, what you want to lose 100%? Let's go. Bounce. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It almost hit that high of the day. Now remember what I was talking about? Look at this. Look at this level. Sorry that I'm bouncing y'all, but I gotta show y'all these levels, man. Like y'all gotta get it. Look at this level. From here to here, like that's where you take profits. Look at this line right here. This is where you take profits at, fam. Like you ain't gotta be greedy. You can always take profits and re-enter. But if you a boss, let me show you. If you a boss and you like to stay in your trades, you can just adjust your stop loss. Oh, sauce. Give them the sauce. All right, so boom. We go all the way up here, almost hitting right here, right? So we go in, we wait until this yellow line, depending on where you want to get out. That's on you. We gonna talk about exits in another video. We talking about entries right now, going all the way crazy. And then here. So where you gonna put your stop loss at? Let me show you. Previous candle. Bam! Oh, sauce right there. All right, check this out. If it don't hit your stop loss, don't get out the trade. Consolidation. After every run, there's gonna be a fall or indecisiveness. Look, this is a Harami pattern right here. It's pregnant. That means it's about to go down. Look, stay in a trade. This is your stop loss. It's not hidden. And I know. When you trading options, like we trading options over here, we risking a lot. And that premium is just eating. But fam, you already up and it didn't hit your stop loss right there. Howdy. Let's get into it. It breaks through that high and it goes. How greedy you want to be? How greedy? How greedy? Like take okay, this is what I'm saying. When it goes up here and it goes crazy like this, guess what I'm doing to my stop loss? I'm tightening that boy up. Where? Where you might ask? Previous candle. That's what I'm saying. We on this candle right here. It goes crazy all the way up here. Previous candle, my guy. Drop below that previous candle. I'm out. I took profits. I'm done. But if you wanted to, if you a bear, let's check this out for the bears, right? You a bear. You big bad and in charge. This is your entry. It goes crazy. Where you putting your stop loss? Previous candle. It's breaking that. No. Hold on. Wait 1 second. For the bears, this is quite tricky. You got to put it right here under here. Check that out right there. About right there. The highs. You got to put it at the highs of the candles, my guy. Crazy, crazy. Look at the high right here. Crazy. Look, we gonna move this at the high. We can move it, and you know what I'm saying. We can move it and groove it all day, fam. But look, that's just the general understudy of this video. Make sure you got an appropriate stop loss for it. If you're a bear, or if you're a bull, or if you're an opportunist, whatever, you want to get in at the perfect entries. Look, it's about to test that level. Have you ever heard this saying? Old supports become new resistances. In this case, old resistances become new supports. Here's another, and this is just on Microsoft. Like, depending on how much you want to trade, I don't like over trading one particular trigger, but we gonna be bearish right now. Where we getting out the trade at? Right here, right here. We setting the stop loss here. It goes all the way down. Now you should know from experience that this is gonna be a new level of support. You getting out the trade right there. That's what you made the lines for, my guy. Back with the Bulls, they ran crazy. Like it was just so many opportunities in Microsoft to make money. Stop waiting, pull the trigger, get it done. Shot man drops mic.